We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x20 hybrid dump trailer. So this trailer does measure 20 feet in length, does have 8 feet of a utility trailer with the side ramp. It does also have 2 foot of mesh side. This is a tandem axle trailer. Each axle is 7,000 pounds. This does have stake pockets on the side. There are also D-rings on the inside. This is fully wired with LED drive lights. This center divider right here is removable, so you can use the entirety of the trailer bed. This is the spring assisted loading ramp. It does come with the breakaway box. Has safety chains, coupler, and a jack, as well as the spare tire mount. Underneath the trailer, there are loading ramps. This is a twin cylinder dump lift.